What's up, guys? So today I'm going to show you guys another Pretotype that I made, which is otherwise known as your basic landing page, or as we talked about earlier, your fake door Pretotype. Now, if you want a step-by-step approach about how I made it, go check out my other video, but in this video I'm just going to break down just the different elements that I used in my very simple Pretotype of a landing page for cryptocurrency inspired streetwear. So check it out and enjoy. As you can see here, this landing page is really simple, and that's how you generally should keep it, right? There's a title at the top with a very brief explanation down below with a link to kind of read your Medium story. Sometimes I recommend writing a Medium story in advance for before launching your products, just so people can kind of get context behind it. And then also with an image on the right and some social links that people can follow down below. The most important part of this landing page is probably the area where the people can like write their email and subscribe to follow updates. That is a key source of early traction that you do not want to miss out on. So there you have it. Those are the simple elements of a landing page Pretotype. So that's it for now. Let me know what else you guys want to see. Like, comment, subscribe. Check out our channel links and stuff like that. In the meantime, see you guys later.